This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Oh, great. Oh, it was already unlocked. Alright. I forgot my keys. I'm taking your purse.
Shopping for iPhone accessories, not snacks!
And speaking of space, from websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, today's sponsor, Squarespace, is an all-in-one platform that allows you to build a beautiful online presence and run your business. So I'm actually starting to work on a website for Study to Success, and as you can see here, Squarespace email campaigns allows you to customize your own email template so that it stands out in your subscribers' mailbox and looks really cool. And the blogging tools help you create interesting posts, and you can even categorize prioritize and schedule them to maximize their impact. And Squarespace has so many different options, like so many options, for the layout of the pages and designs so you can truly customize your website to fit you and your needs. So be sure to check out squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/studysuccess to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Sound of an airplane flying overhead. Wait, do you guys see this? Look. Alright, so now I'm recording my screen. Okay. Wait, why isn't it doing it anymore? I'm now questioning my sanity. Oh. Oh my gosh. That was dramatic. Oh, that's kind of weird. Why is it doing that? Oh no! It was Munchkin. Munchkin! On a bike. Two-wheeler! Look at that!